University matters. This is the very last video of my series of University Matters, in which I recorded about 5 videos. This is the 5th one. And the whole idea about it is to give encouragement to young people, irrespective of which university they've ended up studying their degree or which course they are studying at university, is to give them a little bit of encouragement and to reassure them that irrespective of which university you study at or which course you have a chance in life, provided you're willing to do what it takes to be successful. That's a very good example. The Mayor of London, Sadiq Khan, he went to London Met. Yes, he studied law at London Met. That goes against everything I've said in my last 3 videos, but he's a hugely successful and a decent politician. I'm not interested in Labour or Conservative or whatever, but I'm not saying that, but he's just a decent politician and is an inspiration to everybody, you know, looking at his humble background and what he has achieved despite the university he went to, his humble background, you know. So is a good role model, I think, for many young people. Reality is that if you are determined, you will succeed, you will prevail. If you are determined enough to be successful, irrespective of course, studying at certain university first, and then secondly, studying certain courses help you make your life a little bit easier. Okay, but if you haven't done this, you can still succeed if you are determined enough. Below are just a few skills that I will suggest that you as a young person try to master, because they will help you to prosper irrespective of which university you've obtained your degree or which degree course you've obtained. Not necessarily in order, but I'm afraid you need to have all of them. At least be very strong in all of them. Communication skills, how you communicate generally, which is a very broad term. Specialized knowledge in a particular area that is marketable. The third is the way you speak English. That's contentious, that one, but I intentionally dive into it. Some people will not agree with me, but the way you speak English in terms of clarity. I'm not sure about the accent thing. The accent in terms of having a strong accent, I'm not sure if that matters much these days, because Britain is a much more, the society is much broader in terms of the spectrum from which the people who are successful come from. So the way you speak English matters, pronouncing words in certain ways. I'm not going to go into that, but a very strong, accent of a particular regional accent may affect your progress. I would just speak honestly about that. Accent doesn't matter hugely, but clarity in what you say matter hugely. Number 4 is your the way you present yourself, how you appear, your physical appearance. It still matters. Yes, we live in a world in which most people are informal about certain things, but for success, the way you present yourself still matters. Yes, even in a modern world. I'm not going to go too deeply about that. I leave you to think about. Number 5 is organization skills. I have seen many bright, highly intelligent people who are disorganized. Some of them because their brilliance helped them to prosper irrespective. But I have also seen people of about, or sometimes they look to be below of average intelligence slightly, and they still prosper because they are very organized. So organization skills is huge. Those are very important. And lastly, what I say is this: confidence and believing in yourself, believing in your own ability matters massively. Confidence and arrogance upon nothing, without willing to work hard, or just beating about the bush, or telling lies, or trying to avoid the hard work or what you need to do to succeed, that wouldn't get you anywhere in my observation. Because it's all about people. People will put you where you want to be. It doesn't matter what you think about yourself. What matters most in life tend to be what other people think about you. And people are not stupid. If you're going to be telling lies and try to pretend and having confidence based upon nothing, in my view, you are very, very unlikely to be successful. So yeah, let me just conclude this video again by saying that irrespective of which university you've attended or which degree course you've studied, if you are determined enough and you're willing to do what it takes to be successful, you will be successful. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you in my next video. Please subscribe to this channel. It helps us a great deal. Please like the video, make comments, positive or negative. Please feel free to make comment. I welcome conversations. Let's see what we can improve on, or if there is something in particular you like us to record video about. I also like to hear your thinking, what you think about some of the points that I've raised in these videos, mainly, well, any videos that I've recorded really, but this is specifically about how much it matters the university you attend, or perhaps the degree course you study, and things about if the old boys network is the prevailing factor. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you in my next video.